It's Chelsea Paige. I'm back today to show you guys how I got my ombre lip and how I created this look. I posted this picture on Instagram and I got a lot of feedback and questions of how I did it and requests to make this video, so please tune in and I will definitely take you step by step. First, I gotta give you this disclaimer. I am not an MUA. I definitely change the way I do my makeup all the time, so don't drag me on how I do my makeup in this video. Some days it's really good, some days it's kind of iffy. So the whole purpose of this video is just to show you guys how I created the look that you were interested in from my Instagram picture. I already started by doing my eyebrows off camera. I'm going to basically prime my eyelids and rub it in. I'm going to set it with the Airspun powder, which you can find at Walmart for the low. I'm sorry, my camera keeps going in and out of focus. But keep watching, it gets better. Gonna take this little brush here and dust the extra powder off my eyelids. And I'm using the 350M palette from Morphe. I'm gonna use that brown color that you see right there to go in my crease. And as I said before, I am not a makeup artist, so I don't really know all the technicalities and, you know, use this certain color for the crease. I just do what has worked for me so far. Next, I'm going to take a darker brown and go over the same area. After that, I decided I wanted to try a cut crease today of all days when I was filming. So I'm using the the LA Pro Concealer to create my cut crease. And this may not be the right way, but hey, I figured a way to make it work for me. So I also don't know if this is the correct way that makeup artists do this or not, but I chose to set it with the same powder. Dust some of that powder off, the excess. And I'm going to go in with the Super Shock and lip gloss. I'm going to make a mixture. I found that made it a lot easier for the color to go on since I did set that concealer on my eyelid. And just remember while I'm doing this, y'all, my eyebrows are sisters, not twins. Don't make fun of me. And for the record, I have never put lip gloss on my eyelids before. Y'all, I definitely tried this just because of the video. But it seemed to work out just fine. I really just wanted to set my my cut crease just because whenever I tend to look up, I mess up my cut crease if I don't set it. And as you see, the lip gloss is kind of making it look a little chunky, so I'm gonna go back in and just go in with the powder shadow just to make it a little more defined. So you see the big difference that made? Yes, girl. So it's still a bit chunkier than I would like, but I'm gonna make it work. I didn't want to take a chance and do like a really dramatic eye with the eyeliner, so I just really did the bare minimum just so I can have something in between my eyeshadow and my lashes when I put them on. As you can tell from before, I got concealer all on my eyelashes, so I wanted to go back in and make sure I put some mascara over that just to blend. And I put my other eyelash on while I was off camera, while my camera died. I'm going to list all of the products that I use in the description box, so just make sure that you visit there. It'll have my skin tone color for the Maybelline Fit Me that I have right now and everything. If I miss something that you guys want to know about, just make sure that you comment down below and let me know, and I'll respond with the answer for you. I just want to make sure that I get this foundation as seamless as possible, especially since I ran out of my primer. I definitely change up how much concealer I put on and where I put my concealer depending on the day and depending on what kind of look I want. Also, this is the Airspun powder as well that you can get from Walmart. And I did not show you probably, but the colors that I'm putting under my eye is the same colors that I put in my crease on my my eyelids. So since the Airspun is so bright, I'm going to go back in with my loose powder and just kind of calm that down a little bit. And one of the same eyeshadows that I use for my eyelids, I'm definitely going to use that to to contour. Now time for the lips, the most highly requested part. And my makeup is a little shiny because I actually went back. This part is me refilming it because the first time that I filmed it, it cut my lips off and you couldn't see what I was doing. So my makeup at this point is just a little shiny. And this is just some finishing spray that I found at the hair store because I ran out of mine as well. Now, I was just trying to show you there that that is the glittery Morphe palette. I'll make sure I put which one that is down below in my description box since it didn't show up too well on the camera. So this is a look. Thank you guys for tuning in today, for watching my video. And if you have any more suggestions or requests, please put them down below in this video and I will respond and I will film it for you. Also, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for tuning in, but it will be really great if you go ahead and subscribe so you can be notified whenever I add more videos.